Hi guys, welcome back to Kay's Corner, and today I'm going to be making bracelets. I got this cool bracelet set at Joann, and I'm going to be showing you a few bracelets that I'm making today. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing it. Ooh, there are a couple of keychains. Isn't this so cool, guys? I'm so excited to make this. Okay, so first we should probably take off this. Okay, so guys, right now I'm about to take it off and make a bracelet. I don't know how I'm gonna do what. So first I'm gonna take the knot out, and then I'm gonna make it a little bit, take my wrist. Okay, this should be like the good side. Does anyone else have trouble cutting their string? Because right now I'm in a life crisis. Okay, so I finally cut my string. And now I have to tie the end so none of the beads fall out, because that would be a big disaster. So now I'm gonna find some charms actually. So I have this lollipop one, a heart one, ooh, and a cupcake one. And I have a juicy one, because it's Juicy Couture. And then they have like diamonds. I think I'm gonna go with the silver heart. Okay, so now that I have that, I have my beads. So I'm going to pick a color. Since this is like silver and gold, I think I should probably do like a pearl color and gold, and I can add some little gold little gold beads in the middle of it. I think that would be really, really cute. So I'm just gonna take these out real quick. Okay, so I got them open finally. Sorry guys, I had to switch out my string. I was using the wrong one, but dance break. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I messed up on the dance. But anyways, I'm gonna be starting the beads. And I'm gonna do what I was doing before. And I'm gonna use the gold one. This bead set is really fun. You guys should go and get it at Joann's. Okay guys, I finally finished making my bracelet, and I think I did an awesome job. I'm just gonna tie it, and then I'm super excited to wear this. Guys, I'm finished making my bracelet, and I'm so excited to try it on. Go buy this at Joann's because it is so much fun to make these bracelets. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye guys!